For decades, companies servicing the collision repair industry have created walled gardens. And what that has led the industry to is technicians are spending more time doing admin than actually repairing cars. With our integration ecosystem, we're here to break those walls.
Yeah, so we're bringing together repairers, insurers, and car owners into a shared layer of intelligence. They're helping to break down these walls and actually bring everybody onto the same playing field. And so, sort of when I came to this industry, I came from outside of the collision repair industry. I was in the broader technology space. And I started talking with our customers and learning more about their workflows. And what really floored me was that our customers are spending so much of their time, almost more time than they are repairing the vehicle, doing operational work. And a lot of that operational work is copying and pasting information from one spot to another, whether that be photos, scan reports, diagnostic information, and they're spending an enormous amount of time just doing research on repair procedures. And I looked at that and I said, there's so much time that we're spending on this that we can automate away. And a lot of that it was really about how do we make all these systems sort of talk to each other. And that really got us thinking about how we can actually do that. And today we're taking our first step in building this shared layer of intelligence and in offering our integration ecosystem to our customers, which is bringing together a lot of parts of the repair process that collision repairers work with every day, whether that be OEM documentation with our partners like OEC and their repair logic tool set, or all data and their repair information. Folks like diagnostic tool providers like Autel, as well as estimatic platforms like CCC, and helping bring these together in this shared layer so that information can flow seamlessly, and shops can spend less time clicking buttons and more time with their hands in the car.
Yeah. Lastly, I'll say even today companies are utilizing partnerships, or partnerships is actually a light word, I'd say legalities, exclusivity, and things like that to pigeonhole the industry into specific solutions. But our take with integrations ecosystem is, again, to break down those walls, but most importantly, give the industry the choice and the time back to repair the car properly and service the customer, because at the end of the day, that's what matters the most.
I mean, for the second year, I think it really highlights just how much passion we have for the industry. We got our start sitting, Adi got his start in this space, sitting with repairers, learning about their workflows, learning about the problems they're running into. Last night we were at dinner with one of our first customers, and he was talking about how powerful it was to have somebody who just came in and listened and built stuff based on what they heard from the customer. And we've really taken that philosophy to everything that we've built. And I think it really stands testament to the repair industry really listening, or really seeing how much we are listening to our customers and building something that the industry really needs. And I think for us, it just feels so powerful to be recognized for the love that we have for the repairers in the space.
This is the energy that we're going to bring back to the team. One of the core values we have at REV is customer holds the key. So everything that we ship, everything that we build is directed by the customers and has a voice of the customer baked in. And winning this award means that it's working. That value is still to the core, and the team tomorrow is going to be even more passionate about carrying that value forward.
We're building the operating system for the calibration operations inside of the repair shop. That's really where we got our start, and that's where we've been focusing. And a lot of the challenges around that we see shops running into are similar. It's really around automating manual work and helping to streamline your overall operation, so that you can spend more time repairing and less time kind of like organizing stuff. So we've introduced 2 additional products. One is our claim builder tool set, which is really focused on how do you actually capture the documentation through the repair process that helps you prove to insurance companies that this calibration was completed and was completed correctly. And so you can submit that to insurance and get paid for it. But then actually more importantly, that you can protect yourself from liability by keeping the right records in an organized way so that you can come back to it should anything happen in the future. And then we've also seen in the industry that insurance is adding a lot of complexity to pricing. We've seen mandates come out or pricing structures come out from a variety of different insurance companies in the market. And we know that, to what Adi mentioned before, that other players in the market are sort of taking this walled garden approach through exclusive partnerships. We've really taken a repair-first approach where we've said, let's give you one tool that you can use that can help you adapt to all of this complexity. And so our advanced billing system, which is this third product that we launched, is really focused on helping you adapt to all of the new pricing changes in the market, building you a smart quoting system that helps you store all of these price sheets and then properly invoice for those calibrations according to what the insurance company is telling you need to follow, and then ultimately get paid for that from the insurance company.
Lastly, what I'll say is this is just the beginning for us. There's customers that are guiding us to really stitch these together. We're learning a lot. We just released these products, but the traction has been amazing. Those learnings are actually adding more fuel to how we iterate. It's all about following through. It's all about rapid iteration after you've released the product. So we've already got a lot of stuff cooking for next year and a lot of insights ready for next year as well. And we hope to bring this home next year as well.